Hi, this is Jay Mitchell. I am reviewing and analyzing Terminal Lance for typography and contrast, repetition, alignment, proximity. I found this website back in 2010 when I was a active duty Marine. It's created by this gentleman, Maximilian Uriarte, and he created this as a active duty Marine and has kept up putting out new comics mostly once a week for the last 10 years. And so jumping right off into it, the contrast is clearly black and white. You could have done a red and gold or a red, white, and blue, keeping with military and Marine Corps theme. However, that would not fit with the intended audience being Terminal Lance and the Lance Corporal and below. They would consider that to moto, which is a term used in the Marine Corps. Repetition. So the repetition is basically every week you have the logo up here, the 6 other websites down here. The comic itself typically used to be a 3-panel black and white. It has since elevated into a full color, which I'll showcase in a minute. You have a small blog post underneath as a way of kind of explaining the Marine Corps inside joke up here with more of a civilian explanation of what we find so funny. The alignment is still the same, and the proximity is, this is the navigation bar that propels you to different parts of it. So next comic, last comic, current first, and then the white donkey gives you a random selection of comics. So kind of going back, this is the updated version of the one that I showed originally. Notice we still have text over here, our motivator in the silly Marine Corps shirt, and someone that looks just really goofy out in town. So things that I notice on it is the breakout between the comic and the blog post has a link to social media as well as the shares that it has, and at the very bottom it also has links to social media. So that is the breakdown of Terminal Lance. I would recommend anyone going and checking it out. It's not just for active duty or veterans, but it really helps bridge the gap between the veteran and civilian community.